Hello everyone, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with the trade of the day, and there's no doubt about it. GRTS was a short alert. This happened from my 10-day daily breakdown. Now this is the one I actually ended up taking, the AVRO 283. I missed this one, unfortunately, but so many in the room saw this one, GRTS. It's not that I didn't see it, but I was so wrapped up in this one, the AVRO, and I had to concentrate on it. Meanwhile, this one, this AVRO, the alert was at 11.19 to short it, so it already dropped. It already dropped quite a bit, but right here, 11.19 to short, look what it did. I mean, this is almost straight down on a 15-minute chart from 11.19 down to 7.63. So that was just an awesome short. Many in the trading room took advantage of that one. Again, the reason why I didn't get it is because I was in the other one and I wanted to take this on the break of 11, but it was moving too quickly and I just didn't feel like chasing it. It's one of my discipline things I don't do. I don't chase. Obviously, in this case, it would have worked, but I typically do not want to chase things. But man, what a move down. And even the AVRO though, the AVRO, one of my favorite setups because not only was it on the 10-day daily breakdown, but it was an all-time low at this point, and it also had some bad news. So a lot of stuff happening with this one. But anyway. Definitely the grits, the GRTS was the trade of the day. Now, in the email you're getting, you'll notice there is still a promo on for 25% off. I thought it would be over by now, but I guess you got one more day that you can take advantage of getting 25% off a Trade Ideas subscription. So I'll open the room tomorrow at 8 o'clock Eastern Time. Hope to see you then. Bye-bye.